Mahindra USPS mail truck prototype spied testing. We've effectively posted a couple of spy shots of various organizations' proposed vehicles for the new United States Postal Service mail truck rivalry. One of the 6 organizations that were granted model building contracts is the Indian agrarian and truck maker Mahindra, which is anxious to pick up a solid footing in the US regardless of what the specialty. The office fabricating Mahindra's Roxor 4x4 is the primary auto processing plant to open in Detroit over the most recent 25 years. Presently, Mahindra's mail truck model has been spied trying on Ohio streets. Especially taller than the active Grumman truck, rounder than the blocky Karsan and, well, less like a Ford Transit than the Oshkosh one, the Mahindra model resembles a basic issue with its round headlights. The plan is very like the VT Hackney model spotted a month ago. From the guard up, the whole, short front of the Mahindra comprises of a gathered flip-together hood, and the motor underneath is probably going to be a 4-chamber unit sans half and half tech. The government agent picture takers were even ready to investigate, and a genuinely present-day, yet determinedly utilitarian dashboard includes a push-catch design selector for the driver's correct hand, alongside the begin-stop catch. There's likewise an airbag for the driver. The choice for the mail truck will be made before the year's over, with generation vehicles beginning creation in 2019. The more models we detect, the additionally intriguing the race for the USPS contract moves toward becoming.